Tesla driver from 2018 crash was eating. Had autopilot on. U.S. agency as government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a U.S. man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along a highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." Maruti. Tata Motors urge parts suppliers to target zero defects. Maruti Suzuki and Tata Motors have urged auto component manufacturers to build capabilities by investing in research and development, R&D, and ensure zero-defect products. Quality deserves much greater attention from the top management at the suppliers, Maruti Suzuki CEO Kenichi Ayukawa said. Tata Motors CEO Genta Butchek asked suppliers to take the ongoing crisis as a fitness project. Elon Musk trolls Porsche for calling its first electric car, turbo-electric car maker Tesla's co-founder and CEO Elon Musk took to Twitter to troll German luxury automaker Porsche for calling its first ever electric car, turbo. Porsche. This word turbo does not mean what you think it does, Musk wrote. Turbochargers, found in internal combustion engine vehicles which use fossil fuels, increase performance by pumping more compressed air into the engine. Gadkari admits to slowdown in auto sector. Blames global economy. Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has acknowledged that the automobile sector is going through a slowdown and claimed it's because of the global economy. Gadkari said he would urge Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to temporarily reduce GST on automobiles. The slowdown has relation to employment potential as well as the country's growth. The FM is trying to find solutions, he added.